And now we're going to show you how to make a garden using an old egg carton. So we're going to plant the seeds in these cups here. But before we plant the seeds, we're going to have to give it a little trick. Right here, all the way down, and right here, all the way down. Make sure when you're using your scissors, you are being very safe and your parents allow you to use them under their supervision. So now we're going to put the dirt that we collected in our giant pot. We're going to put it in our egg cartons, and then we're going to pat it down. When you're done, your egg cartons should look like this, filled with dirt and patted down nicely. When you're done with filling your dirt, you should clean up your mess before you go on to the next step. The next step is to water all the little slots, just a little bit. So I'm going to plant green beans in this one and watermelons in this one. To get the seeds in, all you gotta do is poke a hole with your finger, drop the seed in, and then you gotta pinch the dirt. Got both them in.
What do you need to do to care for your garden, Jackson, now?
Water it every few days and give it some sunshine. Leave it by the window if you have it in your house.
And be careful because they might leak out the bottom. Thanks, Jackson.